Okay, we're making a new skip for Winterfest.
Yeah.
Like we're totally we're totally parodying Mama Daichi production. Sorry, I have a Laffy Taffy in my mouth.
Oh well. We won't
Look
die,
at the
okay?
stage, yeah.
We won't die. It's kind of bumpy, but...
Made like a really awesome stage.
He draws random lines. Anyway, okay. So, I'm going to be right here. I'm going to have a flower. Yeah, see,
Awesomeness.
that's Marluxia. See
Marley.
how awesome I am? See, I have the cool face.
Marley's awesome hair.
Marley. I don't know why I'm
Marley.
standing there, but whatever.
He's
And then
totally
we're going to
standing there.
have...
And then, I totally want to like skip him.
Sykes puppy. Yeah.
Kneeling down like all puppy-like.
Kneeling down and stuff. I can't draw him kneeling down, so whatever. His body's all screwed up. And then yeah, his hair. Okay. And then we have Demi.
No, I want to skip in like and jump in like yay!
Let's see if I can draw him like that. Demi, that's
Wait.
so Demi.
Yeah, Sean.
Honey, I know. Yeah, that's like so Demi, okay?
Oh yeah, that's like totally Demi.
And then,
Yay!
skipping.
Woo! Skipping, yay! That is
Skip.
totally Demi skipping, yeah.
So Demi, okay?
He like ate too much. Okay.
Yeah. I'm so Demi. Okay, now we also need,
We need Oh wait, yeah, Ziggy. No, Ziggy's like totally gonna be like watching
here.
from like random places. Like,
There. His eye, the whoosh.
we really like Zig Dem. Like we really like Zig Dem, right? We love Zig Dem.
Yeah. And then he has that hair with the stripies and whoosh.
Stripey and
Whatever. There.
yeah,
That's
Ziggy's
Ziggy,
awesome.
okay? Ziggy.
So. Ziggy.
And then there's Demi. No, that's Denny. And Sykes puppy.
Are they? It's a kitty! Kitty, where? It's a kitty! Look at the kitty!
Come on.
Sykes puppy. Okay, back to this. Forget the kitty.
Move, kitty! Kitty!
Okay, so
Demi is a kitty
let's
cat.
see. Then it'd be all like
And then, like, we're totally gonna have like a slumber party and we're gonna be like,
slumbery.
Squee.
And he has a little guitar thing because I feel like drawing a guitar. It's retarded, but whatever.
I'll be right back.
Okay. And then
we're gonna be like,
I have a flower. And
we should totally have like some like truth or dare or something.
blah.
Like, it should be like, oh
Yeah.
no, okay, sorry that we died for a second, but
And then Sykes puppy's all like rough because he's awesome like that. Yeah, sorry, we stole
Okay.
the Sykes puppy idea from Nira-chan.
yeah, Nira-chan and Lady Chimera, go see them. Their comics are awesome. We looked for like 30 minutes. We were like watching. Look at the
It was
comics
like the
like 30
20th
minutes,
time we saw them and we watched them.
and
like
they were
20
still
times.
hilarious. We both loved.
Anyways, back to our skit where they'll be all like playing truth or dare. He'd be all like truthful. No, actually, you know what? Demi's gonna say dare.
Wait,
He doesn't.
my family's
care for
coming in.
dares.
So, okay, we're gonna continue this later. Like so,
dare.
yeah. So, we'll continue this later. Goodbye.
Yeah.
For now, family's coming in.